Hello. You are watching Rahmat English Research Center. Here, you will find easy ways to learn and understand English. Our goal is to strengthen your English skills. So, let's get started. 5 quetzales. Learn common greetings and small talk. Practice basic conversation skills. Answer, lesson plan, learning common greetings and small talk. Objective. Students will learn how to greet others politely and engage in small talk to improve their basic conversation skills. Common greetings. Formal greetings. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Informal greeting. Hi. Hello. Hey. Examples. Formal, good morning. How are you today? Informal, hey. What's up? Common small talk questions. Questions to start a conversation. How are you? What's your name? Where are you from? How is the weather? What do you like to do in your free time? Answers. I'm fine, thank you. And you? My name is Ali. What is your name? I'm from Mumbai. How about you? Practice activity. Role play, pair up students and give them a scenario to practice. Scenario 1. 2 students meet for the first time in class. A. Hello. My name is Shamim. What's your name? B. Hi, I'm Ahmed. Nice to meet you. A. Nice to meet you too. Where are you from? B. I'm from Delhi. What about you? Scenario 2. 2 friends meet at a coffee shop. A. Hi. How are you? B. I'm good, thanks. How about you? A. I'm fine too. What are you up to today? Homework. Write a short dialogue using greetings and small talk. Example. A. Hello. How are you? B. I am fine, thank you. And you? A. I am fine too. Where are you from? B. I am from Dhanbad. Answer, homework dialogue. A. Hello. How are you? B. I am fine, thank you. And you? A. I am good too. What is your name? B. My name is Rizwan. What is your name? A. I am Abdul Kalam. Where are you from? B. I am from Dhanbad. How about you? A. I am from Ranchi. What do you like to do in your free time? B. I like to read books. What about you? A. I enjoy playing badminton. If you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Rahmat English Research Center. Do share your feedback and suggestions in the comments. Thank you.